Okay, let's look at this part 2 to explain this. Can somebody, if we use the different steps in different colors, doesn't it help a little bit? What, step 1 in red. It must be 1004. Okay. Take off 3 pencils. How many people understand that part? We just said it was the tornado alarm. 1004, first Tuesday of the month. I'm shooting a video so we can not be distracted by that. Okay. Now we have this. 2 coins weighs the same as 3 pencils and 2 paper clips. Raise your hand if you understand that part. 2 coins equals the same as 3 pencils and 2 paper clips. That's different because usually we have 1 coin equals 1 other or 2 other things, right? But just leave the 2 coins like that because there's 2 coins over here. Okay, so we know 2 coins weighs the same as 3 pencils and 2 paper clips. Okay, so let's do the next step in blue. Okay, so Leah, we can get rid of these 2 coins, right? And what do we replace them with? Oh, sorry. You can replace them with these right here. We haven't done anything to the triangles yet. Let's get to that step first, okay? How many people understood this part? How many people are confused by this part? Okay, Phil, thank you for being honest. We're just going to leave the 2 coins by themselves, okay? We're not going to do anything to them. And on this side of the scale, it stays balanced. And these weigh the exact same as these. Weigh the exact same. So that when we go over here, we can take these off and then replace it with 3 pencils and 2 paper clips. How many people get that part now? Is that better? Sometimes you just have to hear it twice, don't you? So now I'm just going to try to draw my pencils. Let's see. That's not bad. How many pencils again? 3. How many paper clips? 2. And I've had practice drawing paper clips this morning. You did? Well, obviously not a lot of practice. Okay, now we're at this stage. I think if we're in front of computers, it would have been easier to do that. Okay, so now we have this problem look a lot easier now. We got 3 pencils, 8 paper clips, weighs the same as 3 pencils and 4 triangles. What do we do next? Cross out 3 pencils on both sides. Now we have this, and I'm going to just draw a new scale. I think when you see this, can I just call this 8P for 8 paper clips? Yes. Is the same as 4T for triangles? What about that, Aaron? Does that make a little bit more sense? 8 paper clips, 4 triangles. These are equal, but it wants to know how much 1 triangle weighs. So why don't we just divide this in half one time? Then we'll have 2 triangles weighs the same as how many paper clips? I did this in half. Yep, 4. Let's divide it by half again. So 1 triangle weighs the same as... Okay, this is a video that we've saved.